I really need to finish this essay. I have English next period. Can you guys help me with it?
Sure. I can help you proofread it. You have a lot of sentence fragments. You have subordinate clauses, but not independent clauses.
What are subordinate and independent clauses?
Oh, I can help you with that.
I don't want your help.
So I guess you don't need to finish this essay.
Okay, you can help me.
An independent clause is a complete thought that can't stand alone as a sentence, while a subordinate clause is an incomplete thought that can't stand alone as a sentence. A subordinate clause must be joined by an independent clause to make a complete sentence.
Why can't subordinate clauses stand alone as a sentence?
It can't because it doesn't contain both a subject and a verb. For example, I did not participate in class. This is an independent clause. The subordinate clause, since I was tired, cannot stand alone as a sentence. So you have to join it with the independent clause. I did not participate in class, and then you get a complete thought. Since I was tired, I didn't participate in class.
Oh, I think I get it now, but can you give me an example?
Of course. I hope that it doesn't snow is a sentence, and then I hope is an independent clause, and that it does not snow is a subordinate clause.
How can I hope be the independent clause if it's only 2 words?
Yes, because it has a subject and a verb, and it expresses a complete thought.
Let's see. You seem to have trouble on your adverb clauses.
What's an adverb clause?
An adverb clause is a subordinate clause that can function as an adverb. It answers the question why, how, when, where, to what extent, how much, how long, and under what condition.
Could you give me an example?
Sure. I was running because I was late for class. The clause, because I was late for class, tells us why the subject was running.
I still don't get it. Are there any tricks to identifying an adverb clause, like keywords to look out for?
Look for words like after, although, as if, as soon as, because, before, if, since, then, unless, until, when, whenever, and while. These words are called subordinate conjunctions. For example, I ate a bowl of popcorn while I did my homework. The adverb clause is while I did my homework, and the subordinate conjunction is while. The adverb clause in the sentence answers the question when.
Okay, I think I understand now, but I still need to practice.
Why don't we give you a practice sentence? How about the sentence, the turtle is slower than the hare? What is the adverb clause there?
Is it than the hare?
Correct. Now, what question is it answering?
It's answering how much.
I think you've got adverb clauses down now, but you also need to work on your adjective clauses.
Aren't adjective clauses just like adjectives?
Not exactly. Here, I'll help you understand them better. An adjective clause is a subordinate clause that describes a pronoun or noun. It also contains a subject and a verb.
What are some examples of adjective clauses?
One example is he is wearing shoes that have blue laces. That have blue laces is the clause, have is the verb, and then shoes is the subject.
Wait a second. Isn't he the subject?
Well, he is the subject of the sentence, but shoes is the subject of the clause.
Oh, because the adjective clause that have blue laces is describing the shoes and not the he.
Okay, now let's try a sentence to test your knowledge.
How about the dog which is known for its black spots is called a Dalmatian? Underline the adjective clause and circle the subject.
Yep, you got it right.
Thanks for helping me, guys.